Hello, I am Rashmi Shukla from Prop Players. Here I am presenting a very luxurious apartment of Golf Course Extension Road with private deck and jacuzzi. अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ सैंपल फ्लैट। ये रहेगा आपका ड्रॉप ऑफ जोन। Welcome to the sample flat. Sample flat area is 3500 square feet approx. Type 4.5 BHK, 4 bedrooms होंगे और इसमें प्लस सर्वेंट रूम अवेलेबल होगा।
So this is the actual night view elevation of the towers. If you can see the light coming out from this strip of the tower. So these are the 3 twin tower. So and the reflection will be changing in the daylight. तो मैं आपको daylight की भी image दिखा देता हूँ. So this would be the day view. जब सूरज निकलता है उसकी किरणें towers के ऊपर पड़ती हैं. तो उसके बाद जो रिफ्लेक्शन आप देख सकते हो इमेज में कुछ ऐसा रहेगा आपका बाहर का एलिवेशन एट द टाइम ऑफ डे लाइट। एलिवेशन दिखा देता हूँ व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ शेप ऑफ द टावर विल बी। तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक और यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक ये एक शेप फॉर्म हो रही है जो कि आप कैपिटल टी मान सकते हो। तो जो टी लेटर होता है अल्फाबेट्स में दैट विल बी द शेप ऑफ द टावर।
So this is a G plus 40 story building with a penthouses on the top. The architecture of the building would be done up by the company which is a Studio Symbiosis. It's a Germany based company. So the whole elevation is like that. There are 4 apartments, 4 to the core apartment. So once you come near to your specific tower area, so basically in the ground floor there is no apartment. So first floor is basically starting from the second floor. So you are getting a double heighted lobby kind of setup. So the height would be more than 22 feet. So basically there is a 2 kind of view. So one view would be the city facing apartment, one view would be the lagoon park facing apartments. So when you're seeing the size, so basically in the lagoon facing apartment, you're getting in 3.5 BHK, the size would be 3035 square feet. When you're going for the same apartment in a city view, the size will come to 2945 square feet. When you are going for a 4.5 BHK apartment, the size would be in the lagoon facing apartment 3660 square feet, and the same apartment for the city facing it would be 3505 square feet. The only difference is the passage part in both the apartments. So we'll focus on a clubhouse now. This is a clubhouse more than a lakh square feet and the biggest clubhouse more than a lakh square feet in this whole extension road. It has got all the amenities, infinity edge swimming pool with a cabana sit out area, with a rooftop cafe. It has all the amenities. The designing would be done up by the Grey Matter company. So basically Grey Matter is a company which only makes 5-star and 7-star hotel. So in this society you would be getting a 7-star experience definitely with this type of clubhouse. The n number of amenities would be there. So all the amenities like a lobby with a piano lounge, restaurant, business lounges, banquet, pool arena, wellness spa, salon, kids play zone, swimming pool, cigar and a card lounge, pool deck with a bar, table tennis room, AV room, badminton courts, squash court, and many more.
तो गाइस क्या है जो इस प्रोजेक्ट को अलग बनाता है एज कंपेयर टू अदर लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट्स? एक यूनिक चीज है जिसके अंदर आपको मिलता है एक प्राइवेट डेक प्लस अ प्राइवेट जकूजी ऑफ योर चॉइस। ये रहेगा हर एक अपार्टमेंट के साथ। एंड नाउ लुक एट द लेंथ ऑफ दिस डेक।